paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here with another process video, and I'm using the beautiful December goodies and this gorgeous snowflake stencil from Bramble Fox. So let's go. I already selected some beautiful goodies from the December Kids 2020 from the Hippie Club and used some design papers from the DLS design. For a winter page that I want to create with all these gorgeous embellishments and paper and of course perspectives. So I start with my background and I used the color Distress Oxide color Broken China. I apply the ink on my clear stamp that already looks like a stain. It's a big stain, a clear stamp. And you can use, of course, every background stamp you have in your stash. And apply the ink on my clear stamp and I make it a little bit wet with my brush. And then I stamp several times on my page and I dry it immediately with my kitchen towel. And that is how I create my mixed media background. When my background is ready, I made some splatters, and when everything is dry, I grab my stencil, the snowflake stencil from Bramble Fox, and I use a second Distress Oxide color, and the second color is Speckled Egg, and I love the Speckled Egg. It's just like a light blue, light gray color, and it looks so very frosty. With these gorgeous snowflakes. So I love how that turned out on my mixed media winter background. I choose some different design papers from Dayla's design and I cut them to size and I distress the edges with my distress edger and put them behind my picture from my daughter. I cut with my Cricut Maker a winter unicorn and but first I put these antlers on top of a vellum and I use my sticky glue to stick them on my vellum, and when the sticky glue is dry I fussy cut them with my scissor. The winter unicorn is from the Cricut Design Space and I thought it's a great idea to use a unicorn. I love unicorns, and for this winter page, and I want to create a winter, a magical winter unicorn page. And I'll decorate my unicorn with flowers and embellishments and of course the beautiful perspectives. So here I fussy cut the antlers and when I'm done I put my unicorn in place on my snowy background. So my antlers and the ears and the horn from my unicorn are in place, and now it's time to make a flower wreath around. And I fussy cut the flowers from the design papers, from the December design papers from the Hip Kit Club, from the December Kit 2020 from last year. And here I place the winter stars on my page and these eyelashes from my unicorn. And gorgeous perspectives are the words blue and frosty. And I love the blue perspectives on top of the light blue star in the center of my winter page. Here I ruffle the edges, distress the edges from the flowers, and so it's time to create a flower wreath around my unicorn. I'm almost done with my wreath, and I choose for the cute little perspectives, the pink bear and the gray bunny, and I place them under my photo from my daughter when I think she was 4 here, so she's new almost 16 years, so it's a long time ago. I choose to use a cardstock wreath on top of my picture, and these gorgeous eyelashes from my unicorn, I place them on my mixed media background, and I decorate my page further with the light blue mini circles for extra decoration, and the light blue snowflakes. I fussy cut some extra flowers from the Deleuze papers. I love the black and white flowers with watercolor effects, and I fussy cut them with my scissor, and I place them random on top of this gorgeous wreath from my unicorn. So here I draw a circle around on my background, and after this video I decided to stitch the circle several times with some gold symmetries. Here I draw the line a little bit better so I can stitch the circle easily on my background. So and at the end I splatter around with my white acrylic paint, because it looks so very festive, and on this winter page it's just like snow. So I hope we get some snow this year so we can make more memories in the snow for more beautiful pages to create. And this is it. This was my video for Bramble Fox for today, and don't forget to check the website for more beautiful goodies from Bramble Fox, and the Facebook group for beautiful inspiration with these beautiful perspectives. I hope I was able to inspire you with this video, and of course I hope to see you next time on YouTube with another process video. And for now, wish you a beautiful and crafty day. Bye bye friends!